Yeah, good morning. I'm going to be doing the part two of how to implement API your web application. Uh, Early this week, I told you how to implement API, that is Google Plays API, and Google Map JavaScript API. I was able to take you through the process, how to implement them. And I also told you that there are thousands of API. So you don't really need to cram, but you need to understand how to implement what API. Now, the first step is that you have to buy most of these API. So after you purchase it, or let me say the first step is whenever you needed to implement API, you can search in Google that what API can I use for what? For this. Do you understand? So after you've gotten the facts, like now, oh, what API can I use that will help me, that will suggest address for me? So Google will tell you, go for what? Google Plays API. So like I'm going into revision of what I taught you. So just write Google Plays what? API. Mainly you search it. Google will automatically take you to the right place. So there's no need to cram. Can you see? There's no need to cram anything so that you can get more information on how to get it. But I told you where to actually get that the last time. So now let me still see. I'm just trying to okay. This is the link. That one is just giving you illustration on how to do. But when you click on this place, it will take you down there. Raw. So console.cloud.what Google. Most of the API that Google has, you get it on this platform. You understand? But that's not where I'm going today. I just want to give you two examples because I can't cover all APIs. But if you can get these two examples, how to implement it, I can assure you there will not be any API that you cannot implement. Is that clear? So now for today, I want to teach you how to implement what? Payment API with your web. As you can see, this is a web page where I did this fan hotel like 10 years ago. Okay, let me show you the other aspects. Um, so imagine. So now check in, check out, room type, maybe standard, children, maybe three adults, one in the room, check availability for this room. On getting here, oh, standard room, there are 8 rooms. So that means you can see book. And I click on book now. I'm just trying to show you how I implemented the payment system into it. So that's why I'm going through this. Book now. Okay, that's good. Three, actually, one is giving me 26,500. If maybe I want to book two, address, then book now. So it will give me to take me to the preview page. If I want to pay through bank transfer instantly, you understand. So there is no need to go further from here. But since I want to go through pay stack, that does not mean that you must use Paystack. I'm just using this as an example. You understand? So, but if you can understand the payment system of one, you can know the rest. So, Paystack, click on what? Continue. Then click on what? Pay. Click on what? Pay. So, it's at this level that I implemented my payment API. And this page, I've opened it. But let me just show you pay. And let's see what will happen. Can you see that now it's already asking for my bank details? Do I want to pay through OPay, USSD, bank, transfer card, or Zap? Is that clear? So now this is an evidence that I've successfully implemented payment API to this web app. So now this is the page. This is the exact page that you are seeing the other time. As I told you, definitely I will need to go to what? To Paystack. Paystack. API. So there's no need to cram anything. So if you want to read more thing on this, look at Paystack documentation, Paystack API key, API integration, blah blah blah, API pricing. Do you understand? So let me just click on API pricing so that you know that you will pay. It's not free. So let's say it's this one I want to go for. So definitely for here, I will need to create an account. So after I've created an account, I will log in and I'll pick the one that I want, that I need. Is that clear? So after I pick the one that I need, just to cut the story short, you can see the different prices here. Know more about them. So now after I bought, I have paid them. Definitely there is now a relationship between both of you. The next thing is that it's either they send it to your mail or by any means that you wish to send it to, they will give you the JavaScript code. They will first ask you, are you using Python? Are you using JavaScript? What are you using? So that they will know the what, the code to give you. So if it is like in this case now I use JavaScript. So the first thing they gave me is what, my JavaScript code. Can you see script? I don't want to show for security reason. I don't want to show every part of my what, of my code. So script close what code, but you can get all this code from them. Are you following? So after they've given it to you, there's a particular thing that is unique there, the key. They will give you the key. So you just change the what? The key. Now, let me scroll down a little bit. You will see that by the time you look at this code, look at function pay with pay start. Anyone that's familiar with JavaScript, we know that a function name, that is what you use in connecting to a button. So pay with what, pay start is what, function name. So definitely now let's now go and trace where the pay button is. So this is another code they also give, they also gave me. Just put it anywhere in your body, then see the pay button that you are seeing. Let me go back there. See the pay button you are seeing the other time and see where the pay is. This is my code. So and I use on click attributes. Abby, and when I click on the pay, link me to the what? Pay start function that is inside the script. And that's all. That's why you could see that I've been able to implement it. So I just want to assure you, take your time to watch the video and practicalize all these steps. And I'll show you that you'll be able to do the same. So thank you.